today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to test if a microphone connected to your device is working or not, or recording sound or not. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And on the left panel, select System. On the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Sound. It should be near the top of this page. And then there should be a category on the right side for Input. Select your microphone device listed here. And then you can see the input volume should be reflected here, assuming it's turned on. And you can drag the master control volume up or down, and depending if you want to make the input volume higher or lower. And you can also test the microphone by selecting the Start Test option here. And then once you're done, you can select Stop Test. You won't have to let it run for a few seconds there. And it will let you know what the volume level is. You can also record a sample of your audio to see how it sounds. So if you go ahead and start playing it, it should actually start playing the sound out of your speakers so you can see how it sounds basically to everybody else. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.